karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my Emporio Armani wristwatch. So guys, before I take it out of the box, I would like to tell you the model number of this watch is ar11174, and I paid about 800 Emirati dirhams for it, which is equivalent to 217 American dollar. So now I'll take it out of the box and we will do the initial review of the watch. So here it comes. So you can see it is nicely packed in this plastic box. Okay, and inside box what we have, this is, yeah, so it is the watch manual and the warranty card. So I'll keep them aside. Now here is the actual watch box. Okay, so even the box is very high quality. The outer shell of box is made up of like mock leather, and sides are made up of very high quality plastic. So let us open it. Okay, so guys, here is our Emporio Armani AR11174 watch. Okay, so guys, this is a chronograph watch. Let me take it out. And it offers up to 50 meters water protection. Okay, so you can use it for swimming, but you cannot use it for diving. And if you see the band of this watch, the outer layer of the band is made up of suede leather. Okay, and the inner side of the band is made up of rubber. Okay, so normally with leather bands, the problem is in summer, if when you sweat, so the bands, like, they become useless after 6 months of use. Okay, here being inner side being rubber, so I think it has significant band life. Okay, now here is the watch. So it has a chronograph. It comes with this gray dial and gray case. Okay, and what else is there? And the other unique thing about this watch is you can see the date here is at 6 o'clock position. And guys, before we end the video, I will wear it on my wrist so that you can have a perspective that how it looks on the wrist. It fits nicely on the wrist. Actually, the band is a bit hard, but still it fits nicely. So guys, this is Emporio Armani AR11174. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more and more watch reviews, watch collection videos, unboxing stuff, technical reviews, and all that. So guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.